Hello, everyone. I am Chandan from Kishore College of Engineering from BE, Branch Information Science and Engineering, subject DBMS. In this video, let's learn about the topic Introduction to Database Management System. Contents we are going to learn are Introduction to Database Management System, Data Access Information, Types of Database, Typical Database Function, Database Environment, Characteristics of the Database Approach, Primary Key, Secondary Key, SQL in DBMS, Normalization, Features, interesting facts, goals, advantages and disadvantages of DBMS. Conclusion. Introduction to Database Management System. Facts that can be recorded and stored is called data. A collection of data is called database. It can be of any size and complexity. It can be generated manually or it can be computerized. It reflects some aspects of real world called as mini world. Maintaining and creating the database is called database management system. It's a general purpose software system that facilitates the processes of defining, constructing and sharing database among various users and applications. Data types, structures and constraints of the data comes under defining. Storing the data comes under constructing. Retrieving the data, updating the data comes under manipulating. Multiple users or application use the database simultaneously. It comes under sharing. DBMS software together with data itself is database system. Data about data is called metadata. Raw unorganized facts that need to be processed. Data can be represented in a simple way. It's useful until it is organized. Information, it is opposite to that. When data is processed, organized, structured or presented in a given context so as to make it useful, it is called information. Of database are centralized database, distributed database, NoSQL database, cloud database, relational database, network database, object-oriented database, hierarchical database. Typical DBMS functionality of firstly data management. DBMS provides a recovery platform with necessary tools to fully or partially restore database. Creating and modifying the database is the data definition function. Security management. The DBMS creates a security system that enforces user security and data privacy. Concurrency. To prevent lost updates through locking, timestamping, ordering, etc. In this figure, we can clearly know about database system environment. Firstly, user or programmers sends application programs or queries to software for processing and programming the query, and software accesses the data. Characteristics of the database approach are data independence, data organization, self-describing nature of the database, data security, data sharing with multiple users, query flexibility, and scalability. Primary key in DBMS. A primary key is the column or columns that contain values that uniquely identify each row in a table. A database table must contain primary key for inserting, deleting, updating, restoring the data from a database table. Secondary key in DBMS. A primary key is a field in a database that is used uniquely to identify a record in a database, whereas secondary key is the additional key or alternate key which can be used in addition to primary key to locate specific data. Structured Query Language SQL is a programming language for storing and processing information in a relational database. Types of SQL are DDL data definition language commands, DML data manipulation language commands, and DCL data control language commands, and DQL DRL data query language command, and lastly TCL transaction control command, control language command. Normalization in SQL. Normalization is a process of organizing data in a database. It includes creating tables and establishing relationship between those tables according to rules designed both to protect the data and to make the database more flexible by eliminating redundancy and inconsistent dependency. Okay. Features of DBMS are minimum duplication and redundancy, large database maintenance, save storage space and cost, provides high level of security, anyone can work on it, multiple user access. Interesting facts of DBMS. The term Database Management System or DBMS was coined in the late 1960s. Sometimes you may even refer a DBMS as a database. The present-day database management system have evolved from a class of program known as file management system. Oracle was launched in 1980s. This was the first most popular relational database, DBMS, which gradually edged out earlier mainframe products such as IMS. DBMS technology is now widely used on personal computers. In fact, now you can find DBMS on almost every custom business application. Goals of DBMS. A database management system is a collection of programs that enables users to create and maintain database and control all access to them. The primary goal of a DBMS is to provide both convenient and efficient for users to retrieve and store information. Advantages of DBMS are improved efficiency, versatility, organizing and categorizing data, multi-access, organizing the working environment, managing data in new and better ways. Disadvantages of DBMS are complexity. DBMS can be complex to set up, configure and maintain. Cost. Implementing and maintaining a DBMS can be expensive. Single point of failure. DBMS relies on a central server or cluster to store and manage data. Conclusion. Database management system is a systematic operational system that consists of tools that make data collection, storage and manipulation easier. Thank you.